Hello. So recently I went to Aix-en-Provence, my hometown in the south of France, for a family reunion. So I decided to stay for a week. Day one was the train ride from Rennes in Brittany to Aix-en-Provence, which is in Provence, as the name suggests. On day two, I went for a little 10 kilometers run in the morning in the city center of Aix. In the afternoon, I went to collect some books at my aunt's house and I took a few photos in her garden. In the evening, my mom, stepfather, and I went to a Turkish restaurant in Marseille to celebrate my mom's birthday. On day 3 and 4, I just hung out with the family. On day 5, I went to Carry-le-Rouet with my mom and my younger aunt. We had a nice walk, and I got to see my favorite lighthouse in the world. It's small and it has nothing in particular, but I just love it. It's just a sentimental thing. We used to spend a week or two in this town during the summer holidays when I was a child. On day 6, we just relaxed at home. On day 7, it was my mom's surprise birthday party with the entire family. We planned a crepe meal. On day 8, it was time to take the train back to Rennes. Alright, so this was just a tiny little video diary thing. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you, bye!